Keyfax, intelligent software made simple. How to create a script data databox, add it to a script and use it in messages and tasks. A script data databox is used to hold data gathered within a script. For example, an answer to a question. The information being captured or manipulated in Keyfax can be written to a script data databox and reused at a later point within the scripts or within a message or task, such as an email, note or letter. Select Databoxes from the main menu. Keyfax will display a list of databoxes that already exist. These are saved into groups. Select the option Script Data from the menu. We can add our databox to an existing group or select New and type in a new group name. We'll select Script from the list. We'll name our databox as Data 1, but this can be anything. Duplicate names are not permitted. If ticked, the Empty Bookmarks Allowed box will allow the databox to be used in a task or message without being required to hold a value. If not ticked and used in a task, the user will be prompted to enter a value before continuing. We can give our databox a description, but it's not essential. This is displayed in the databox selection list and is searchable using the filter. Expressions enable us to evaluate, transform and manipulate stored data. We'll skip over this here as we cover expressions in more detail in other videos. Click Save. The new databox has been added to the script group with the name, description and abbreviation of SCR. Let's add our databox to a message box. We'll create a test message and click on the text icon to access the content. We'll add some generic text and then locate our databox from the bookmark selection. You can add your databox by clicking on the plus icon or simply click and drag it into the required position. Great! Our message has been added to the library, and we can see the preview shows our databox. Now any data stored in this databox will be visible when viewing this message. Let's add our databox and message to a script to see how it looks. Click Master from the main menu. We will add our databox to the abandoned car script. This script is designed to capture information about an abandoned car by storing answers in various different databoxes, as highlighted on screen. This data is then used in a task. We can see the first question has no databox in the action column. We'll add our new databox here. Select Databox Right from the Item Type menu. Click and drag the databox onto the first question. Great, the answer will be stored in the databox. Let's add our message to the script after this question. OK, finally let's edit a task to use the databox. Double-click on the task you want to edit. Click on the 3 dots in the Edit column to edit the task. We can see this task is using a template consisting of hard-coded text, with databoxes being used as placeholders to record the answers collected during the script. Click and drag the databox into the required location. Great! Let's test our script to check it all works as expected. Check you have the correct script set selected and click on Submit. We can see the message is displaying the data stored from the first question. Note, this is only for demonstration purposes. You don't need to do this for every question. We'll continue through the script and click Submit to generate the email task. As we can see, the task has displayed the data we captured from the first question, and the other data boxes too. Congratulations! You know how to create a script data databox, add it to a script and use it in messages and tasks.